Hi everyone, myself Rekha. So today I am going to take the topic Ogives, that is fundamental of business statistics course. So how to solve the Ogives? So normally the data can be interpreted, can be picturized using some of the diagrams such as bar diagram, histogram, frequency polygon. So these concepts are taken in the previous class. So Ogives is nothing but another type of graph that help us to draw the cumulative, that help us to draw a diagram. So this diagram is in the form of an successive points if we join using a straight line against the class boundaries. So you will get two types of diagram, one less than ogives and next one is greater than ogives. So what is meant by less than type is nothing but cumulative frequency from below are plotted against the upper class boundaries. Greater than type cumulative frequency from above are plotted to the corresponding lower boundaries. The former is known as an less than type because the ordinates of any point on the curve indicates the frequency of all the values less than or equal to the class value of the variable. So the later one is known as an greater than type. So now we can see how to draw the gives. So let us see one example problem. Draw the histogram and frequency polygon for the data. So how to calculate the less than ogive for this problem. So here you can draw the ogives for this problem also. So similarly 50 to 59, 60 to 69 we can consider it as an 49.5, 59.5 in previous histogram and frequency polygon. So now we can see the ogives. So how to calculate the ogives? For example, if we consider a class interval 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, and you can consider the points as 20.5, 30.5 because it is not a continuous interval. So you can write it as 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5 and so on. And the frequency is given as 15, 25, 40, 60, 20, 10 it is given. So if it is an less than ogive means you have to write it as an 50, and next one is if you have to add as a cumulative form you have to add 15 with 25. So 15 plus 25 will get 40. Again you have to add 40 with the frequency 40. 40 plus 40 is nothing but 80, and again you have to add 80 with 60. So 80 plus 60 you will get 140. Again you have to add 40, 140 to 20 you will get 160. Then 160 to 10 you will get 170, and you will get a less than cumulative frequency. For an greater than cumulative frequency, you have to subtract the frequency. You have to start from 170 and you have to subtract 170 from 15. So if you subtract from the frequency data are given as 15, 25, 40, 60, 25, no. So we have to subtract 170 with 15, but you will get 156. 156 with 25 will get 130. 130 with 40, 90, 60, again you will get 30, 30 minus 20 you will get 10. So like that you can get a data for less than type and greater than type. So for the less than type you can get the data as 15, 40, 80, 140, 160, 170. Now we are going to mark the data. So the x-axis is nothing but 20.5, 30.5, 40.5, 50.5, 60.5, 70.5, 80.5, whereas the y-axis is nothing but 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. So the less than point is plotted as follows. So from the lowest to highest, and the greater than type is plotted from the top to bottom. For example, if it is less than type is 15 means you can start from the lower 20.5 to 30.5. In the center you can mark it as 15. 30.5 to 40.5, in the center you can mark it as 40. Like that 15, 40, 80, 140, 160, 170. So you can go from the lowest to highest. That is the less than ogive. For else the greater than ogive you can start from the 170. So 1 to 20 to 30.170, then 30 to 40, then next one. So from the highest to lowest. So this will get an two curves. That is, one is lowest and another one is less than. So this represent the Ogive curve. So in the today's topic we discussed about the Ogives, how to draw. So thank you so much for watching this video.